The channel's hit some pretty significant milestones, and I really want to share them with you guys. I'm grateful for. Hey guys, how's it going? Andrew here. So I wanted to give you guys a progress update on how things have been going. The channel's hit some pretty significant milestones, and I really want to share them with you guys. I'm grateful for the things that's happened over the last few weeks. We've received 101 subscribers. There's 101 of you guys out here watching me, and that's astounding. 101 people. I couldn't fit 101 people in this room. That's a tremendously large amount of people. I'm grateful that you guys are interested in my story. Uh, it's completely unexpected, but I'm grateful. I got an award or a milestone badge, I guess is a better term for it, that says that I'm in the top 5% of creators in the 0 to 1,000 subscribers, level. That's amazing considering, this a lot of this stuff is all new to me. Editing, I started 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago. I really do enjoy editing. I've found that it's relaxing, and I don't know, it's good therapy. So this is my first full week off work. I finished work last Wednesday, and I went immediately to the VFW conference in Springfield with my family. That also happened to be the weekend of my birthday. It just kind of happened that way. I spent some time with my family and celebrated this weekend, and it was great. If you guys want to check that out, I put some videos on my channel, some highlights, and some lives from when I was up there. Uh, Again, a lot of it was experimentation. So let me know what I did right or wrong in the videos, what I could improve. I would really appreciate the criticism, the constructive criticism. With this being my first week, I'm going to buckle down and start selling some things and preparing to leave, downsizing, things like that. If you guys want to see some yard sale action, let me know in the chat, and I'll make it happen. I'll do my best to make it happen. This week, another thing I'm going to work on is obtaining a final departure date. I have to buy the ticket before I can obtain the visa. There's a few other steps that go along with it. I've had to go for a background check, have my fingerprints ran, through the FBI's database, and all that came back good. I've had to go get immunizations, get those caught up so that I'm protected in the country. I have a couple more that I want to get, but I'm going to wait until I'm on the ground because they're considerably cheaper when you get there. There's one that is about $400 a pop, and it's a 2 or 3 series shot. But I can go over there and get it for like $25. So, I think it would be worth it to just procure it over there. I'm shooting for July 11th as a departure date. My uncle is having a birthday party that day, and I'm going to leave, which I planned on leaving in the evening anyways, but after the party, I'm probably going to shoot down to Memphis and take off from there to Cambodia. Um, you know, Once I have that ticket in hand, I can book accommodations, I can get the visa, I can, put the plan in full forward motion, and get away from this kind of standstill that I have going now. It's a lot of waiting. So I guess that's about it. I appreciate you guys for tuning in, and like I said, I'm extremely grateful for all the progress that the channel's made. I hope I can make it worth your while for hanging out with me. Uh, we will get there very soon, and I will be honored to take all of you guys with me. The process is coming to an end, at least the initial process, and then I get to start a whole new adventure once I arrive of learning to teach. And there'll probably be some some shifts in how I operate the channel. Hopefully, in doing that, I can give you guys a little more quality versus the quantity. It's been a lot of practice up to this point, and I'm gonna have to tone it down and get a little serious about it. So I hope you guys can be patient with me as I'm making this transition. But anyway, until next time, take it easy. Peace out.